Yes, new plumbers should absolutely ride along with experienced technicians before working on their own. This hands-on mentorship period helps new plumbers learn real-world skills that no classroom or textbook can teach, while also protecting homeowners from costly mistakes and unsafe work. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You can read about balance and pedaling all day long, but you don't really get it until someone is right there holding the seat and guiding you. Plumbing works the same way. A new plumber might know the textbook steps for fixing a leaky pipe, but an experienced technician can show them the little tricks, like how to tell if a pipe is corroded just by tapping it, or how to spot a slow leak before it turns into a flooded basement. One thing most people don't know is that many plumbing mistakes don't show up right away. A poorly sealed joint might hold for weeks before it fails, which is why having a seasoned eye double-checking the work in the early days is so important. This mentorship period usually lasts anywhere from 6 months to 2 years depending on the complexity of the work, and it's often required before a plumber can even sit for their licensing exam. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming that anyone wearing a uniform and carrying tools is fully licensed and experienced. So always ask directly how long the person has been working and whether they are still under supervision. Another misconception is thinking that riding along means the newer plumber is just watching and not really working, when in reality they are often doing hands-on repairs under close guidance, which actually benefits you because 2 sets of eyes are better than 1. A big thing to be aware of is that even experienced plumbers can miss something new plumbers catch simply because fresh training brings updated codes and methods, so don't automatically assume older always means better. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.